Hello, good morning. Helen here. Just really excited this morning. I'm doing this live and direct with you because I've just logged into my Kajabi to just do some tasks. And what do I spot down the left-hand side but a completely new tab called Agents? So, what's this all about? Let's find out together. Um, so I've just clicked on it and here we are. It says create your first agent. Expert agents learn from your content and answer member questions instantly, any time of day. Let's get started. So I'm just clicking here. What's this going to do? Choose a template, teaching assistant. Help members learn and get answers to course related questions. Okay, let's click on that. It looks like it's the only one that's there available for me at the moment. So let me click on next. And what are we going to say? What are we going to call? Let's give him a name. I'm going to name them after the cat. So let's say Edward. What does Edward do? Goodness me. Edward, gosh, gosh. You can tell that I'm doing this live, can't you? Okay, Edward helps with customers' questions. I can't think of anything better at the moment, but this is how I always discover what's going on. I just play with it and see what works and what doesn't. So, okay, welcome message. Hi, how can I help you today? You could just make that whatever you want. So let's say, hello, I'm Edward. How can I help you? You can use your own words, your own language on this and make it sound like it's genuinely coming from you because it is. It is coming from you. So this is what I love about AI. AI is so useful, but it's fed by us and what is authentic to us. So custom instructions, always greet members by name. I like that. But how do we know what other instructions we can give? I've no idea. So I will have to have a little look into this because, okay, I'm going to say always greet members by name. I'm going to say always ask if there is anything else you can help with. We'll just leave it at that for now. So knowledge sources, where is it going to get the knowledge from? So I'm going to say, you pull some knowledge for me from my business creators community and from my getting started with Kajabi course. Okay. Yeah, that'll do for these. Okay, so videos need transcription. What does that mean? 32 videos. So I've got 32 videos in there. Um, need transcription, 350 credits. I can get them transcribed somewhere else, so I don't need to spend any credits here. But let's just see what happens if I click on purchase credits. So add a I credits in increments of 500 for $15 per month. Okay, so I've got a current monthly limit of 0 credits. So this is going to be something that's going to cost me money. So I'm not going to do this now for a demo. I'm going to cancel that for now. But it told me I needed 350 credits to transcribe those videos, and that is going to cost me $15. That doesn't sound like a lot of money to invest at the moment. So we'll treat this as a very, very short discovery video. I am going to play with this a little bit further and we'll come back and we'll have some more. So if you've got any questions on this, on what we've talked about today, or anything that you want to look at yourself and come back to us on, I'm going to post this in my private Kajabi community. So if you are a member of the business creators community, you will see this video. and you will see the subsequent comments and replies and the further investigations that we do as we go on. If you're not a member of the Business Creators community, you can join. I will put the link below into my bio below, all the links to join. And there's a superb Kajabi offer on at the moment. 28th of May 2026 is when I'm recording this. If you want to try Kajabi at half price for a whole year, Kajabi don't do this very often. I think you can get this offer directly from them at the minute for 6 months, but you get it through me, you get it for 12 months. You also get access to the Business Creators community for free if you do that. That is the private Kajabi group that I've just been talking about. And you get the Getting Started with Kajabi course for free to help you hit the ground running. And with all that package, you also get fortnightly meetings with me directly and with the rest of the guys who are going through the same journey that you are. So really excited. Right, I'm going to stop this recording and play a little bit more, and results will be in the Business Creators community. So I'm Helen Collard. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.